Boom, welcome back to my channel, viewers and subscribers. I don't know, say your boy FaySkull attack. Before we get right into the video, just want to say respect to all of who are subscribed to the channel. The support is really appreciated. You see me, I say, yeah man. Further on, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure you click the subscription button right below the video to get notified when we drop a new video. Yeah, this week we're there again with another top 10 trending songs in Jamaica, you see me. But before we get right into this week's top 10 trending, let's do a quick recap of last week's trending songs. Let's go.
Money will love. Like paper plane and some me make the dollars fly and drop my wallet every day. My pliers back them and my client at them try to program me with wire tap Google and some things a man go through them who don't never know. Fi say them a boss, I don't know them alone. Have a chip in a the
everything you do it trend, yeah, what the pop show. Down an anomaly and can't catch me on the road. Pull out them Stallion, see the scene ambiance. Now play domino, now
a girl in our day. She go tell me say she come from down a bay. Say she no pitness, she no in a child's play. And if me no think she work the job.
When it come to body, nobody bodying me. Mixing weed with the liquor, creating the chemistry. Taking shots back to back of the white hair.
Nobody bumbo clad. Me feel nice. Strip up, pick up money like satellite. Weed in my brain and I see in my tribe. Me
all my friends keep saying he don't want me, he's playing. Even if it's a game, I'm willing to.
you already. See me? So my name. The name. Man have a link where ever feel. A million to make a deal.
Class, look, learn and excel. Girl thief, graduate, girl clone get expelled. Any boy you sell out, so like girl. I be a life and girl.
like this. Yeah, I wish. Reach for the stars if I miss me catch a cloud. Mommy said the money no matter.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so that was last week's top 10 trending songs in Jamaica. Without no further ado, let's get right into this week's top 10 trending songs.
And so we stay some boy in the street, them straight for dark shade. Them I know the G-Cell on Saturday and start shake. Tell K-Man and say
Later.
Shab done money enough drugs dealer.
I'm in a two front up in the media.
Money things ain't I like the media.
We arise and see Badmind I get no far. We a get rich jet plane next by far.
Gyallis class, look, learn and excel. Girl thief, graduate, girl clone get expelled. Any boy you sell out, so like girl. I be a life and
keep saying he don't want me, he's playing. Even if it's a game, I'm willing to keep playing.
this happy hold it up. Me file clean like under me. I know boy never batch in a corner me. Plus, no baby dope in a fall of me.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body yaddy, 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 yaddy.
miss me catch a cloud. Mommy said the money no matter, you make me proud. You me have the Glock chip, my badness loud. You got suck on the mother, you know my champ stick loud.
Feel like fly, where I'm in, I'm vibes. Yeah, oh, student in fried. There, have money pa my mind.
Big breast stop it. Yeah, last night me rescue shop on my Benz bonnet. You think I look a bit a girl, me fuck and make vomit.
Chris, my brother.
No other.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. So that was this week's top 10 trending songs. Make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, FaySkull out. Boom.